On the fourth day, God created the sun to rule the day. See how it shines so brightly? It gives us light and warmth. And the moon and stars to light the night, marking time and seasons. On the fifth day of creation, God filled the seas with creatures and the skies with birds. On the sixth day, God created animals.
And created humankind in his image. We are granted stewardship over the earth.
To care for every living creature.
He instructed them to be fruitful and have dominion over all creatures. By day's end, everything was very good.
All creatures of our God and King, lift up your voice and with us sing. Alleluia, alleluia. Praise the Father, praise the Son, and praise the Spirit, three in one.
Our Father in heaven, we thank you for creating us and all the animals.
Yes, thank you for this beautiful garden. Help us to care for all living things in peace.
Amen.